Hello everybody, this is Brian back with the Celer Network Celer token update. We are up 17.38% for the day. This thing is on a breakout, okay? With it, we have this is on the daily chart. We have formed a head and shoulders pattern, and it looks like we are coming up and just on the verge of breaking this high right over here. You can see we have double tapped that now. Almost a double top, but this head and shoulders, this inverse head and shoulders, is a very bullish pattern to be performing. And I have a great article for you guys also, but I want to show you a couple other things that are super bullish for this market. Bitcoin has formed an inverse head and shoulders on the daily chart, and Bitcoin is working on its breakout of this resistance right up here. And all we need is that push. I have an alarm set on this thing. All we need is that push up through there. And the total to market cap, that is all of crypto without Bitcoin, has formed a head and shoulders right here. And it has actually made a higher high. I'm going to zoom in. This is on the daily chart. You can see the higher high right there today. So that's beautiful. It looks like it's retesting the breakout, which is perfectly normal. You'll get your big green candle, and then you'll have a back test to retest the former resistance as support. Just a little advice: don't buy big green candles. Wait for a pullback. It's just a little advice from me to you. The Celer looks fantastic. This thing is just tearing. I'm going to give you some targets here that I believe this thing is heading to in just a minute. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. Going to do that 100 ADA giveaway next week, and all you have to do to be entered is be a subscriber. I love covering Celer Network. I've been keeping up with this thing for about 4 years now, and I cover 10 to 15 different cryptos. So if you like quick updates and on-time price analysis, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you. It says here, Celer Network releases Brevis to provide more opportunities for smart contracts and dApps. This just came out today, about 2 hours ago, this article. Celer Network introduces Brevis for additional opportunities concerning the smart contracts and dApp sector. The platform published a blog post to explain the functionality of the latest project that pointed toward the limitation of the Web 2-based apps that have limited interoperability, that's a big word there, in data. On the other hand, Web 3-based apps have been developed to provide a solution for the respective problems. Nonetheless, it moved on to say that the smart contracts, which are considered to be the core element of the decentralized applications at present, lack a trust-free mechanism. In this way, they cannot access and use the broad quantity of data kept in the complete history of several blockchain platforms. To deal with this, Brevis is being released by the platform. By using the zero-knowledge technology, it solves the above-mentioned issue. Says the firm, the modularized structure of Brevis provides trust-free and most effective data access and calculation. Yeah, that's awesome. You see a lot about this ZK stuff. Through the crypto market, the ZK roll-up, there it is, acting as the storage and aggregation layer for ZK CoriNet and ZK Fabric. It validates the proofs related to both the aforementioned components along with storing the attested data. The platform is on the view that this will provide whole new paradigms centered around the development of decentralized apps. According to Celer Network, Brevis has several use cases such as social account abstraction, ZK DIDs, on-chain client acquisition, ZK bridges, and data-driven DeFi. That's pretty exciting. You'd love to see stuff like that. You want to see your coins stay in the news and stay fresh, not stale out and news like this. That's why that coin's pumping so hard today. I mean, it's just taking off. So you can see here's your top 100, and Arbitrum is having some problems here today. It's down almost 75%. That's not good to see. This is your top 100. Here's your crypto fear and greed index for the day. The market cap's up 0.73%. Volume is up 21% over 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance is dropping. That's good. That means the altcoin market is taking more of the money. Crypto fear and greed indicator is at a 57. We were at a 62 yesterday before the 2:30 United States time FOMC meeting. Then we had some major volatility there. But this is your biggest gainers and biggest losers for the day here. And obviously, I don't know why Celer is not on this biggest gainers, but this is from Coinbase. So maybe they just do the top 100. I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. But look at Arbitrum over here, down 89% for the day. That's terrible. Most visited Arbitrum, number 4. Arbitrum IOU. Boy, that's not something's wrong over there with Arbitrum. I'm taking it. But let's get into this chart, okay? I'm going to break this down. First of all, let me remove this head and shoulders off there since I showed that to you. Let me remove this, and we're going to zoom in on this. One thing I want to see, 8-hour RSI is getting near the top, and the 12 is at the top also. So we let's put a fib on here and see where this thing could be going. Okay. At 1618, and this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, folks. I'm not qualified for that, so please do your own research with that stuff, and only invest your money wisely after looking into something and possibly reaching out to a financial advisor. Whatever you want to do with your money is your business, and just please don't listen to anybody on YouTube, okay? These markets can do anything. All I'm doing is showing you what I see and what I am doing in the market and what I believe to be going on, okay? I've been charting about 4 years now. I've been in crypto over 4 years, and I love doing these charts and looking at these coins every day. But you can see here, we clearly made a higher high. Okay, we took out this high over here. Now we've made a higher high, which is super bullish. We need to break this resistance, number one. Okay, then I believe would be heading up towards this 1.618 Fibonacci area. Okay, we need to break that resistance and retest that as support. Alright, now our 12-hour and 8-hour RSIs are getting near the top. The 4 is near the top. It can ride there for a while. You can see over here, I mean, this rally here didn't even start until that 4 was at the top. So these can stay up there a while. The 1 hour is on its way down, okay, which like this thing could, I don't know. I'm hoping it don't stall out right here. I'm hoping we get that breakthrough. We need to break that resistance. That double top there, let me put it back on the daily and show you that double top. This head and shoulders makes me more bullish than anything that this thing's going higher. But I don't like that double top right there. We can't get stalled out right there. We need to break through there. We need some volume coming in here. Down at the bottom there, right down here is our volume. I'd like to see a big green candle come in there to get this last push we need to get up through there. So I'm going to keep an eye on this thing the rest of the day. And I will be, it looks like, quite honestly, and I apologize, but this looks like a 5-wave up is what this thing looks to me. The market does 5 waves all the time, and I can't believe I didn't see this sooner, but this could possibly be a 1, 2, now this 3-wave would be your longest wave. And I could see something like this working out, retesting that as support and then going up. That would make sense. I mean, I could definitely see that. Definitely going to keep an eye on this. I have, alerts set up for this thing. So when this price breaks out of here, which I totally believe it will, we could stall out here for a day or so and bounce around and then blast out of there. That could very easily happen. Let these RSIs cool off. So I'm going to keep an eye on this the rest of the day. Thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on the channel, and I'll keep you up to date with Celer. So have a great night. Thanks.